Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Use for Tunes. Today we will discuss about adjust date and time settings. Adjust date and time settings. Your device might be unable to establish a connection with Gmail's servers if its date and time is incorrect. Head to your device settings menu and ensure the date and time settings are set to update automatically. In Android, go to settings, then system, then date and time, and toggle on both use network provided time and use network provided time zone. Provided time zone. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.